Welcome to another edition of Tom's Kitchen. So this morning I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make a protein shake. And again, this is a supplement. This is not the preferred meal. Okay, your preferred meal is always going to be real food. Okay, eggs and so forth for breakfast. However, there are times when you simply don't have enough time. You have to go to work. You're in a rush. Whatever the case might be. In this particular case, I'm going to show you how I make a good protein shake, good nutritious, and has a lot of nutrition for you that you can utilize in place of a meal. And it's not bad. Again, keep in mind this channel is focused on the beginner, intermediate athletes, those that are looking to get in better shape, older folks, perhaps 40 and over, that want to be in better shape, want to live a healthy lifestyle, all these different types of things. This is what this channel is focused on. We're not focused on the bodybuilder that's looking to be 8% or 9% year round. I think, as I've told you guys before, 61 years old, 200 pounds, 5'6". I maintain about a 14%, certainly not 8% where my abs are showing all the year round, all that kind of thing. They're there, but they're a little covered. This is good and healthy. In fact, your goal should be to get down into the 18% even. If you can get in 15, 16, or 15 to 18%, somewhere in there, that's healthy, okay? And that's a good area, particularly for you guys that maybe have been 30% or more. Maybe even some of you is obese. Listen, that's okay. It depends on what you do today that counts, not where you were, okay? So let's take a look at a good protein shake. So I start with orange juice, okay? I think it's a good base, good flavor. It's got some carbohydrates and things of that nature in it. I like to use pineapple, and I typically like to use a more fresh pineapple. And I like to use bananas, okay? Of a protein that I utilize. Guys, again, we don't have to be crazy and get the $100 protein. Okay, a good whey protein is going to be more than suitable for you. Again, I can't emphasize enough, we're not here to get the 5, 6, 7, 8% body fat for a competition. We're here to be generally healthy. Okay, this is for the general population. This is not made for the athlete that's looking to get ready for competition. He's got competition next week. Okay? Okay, so typically I'll go ahead and use about 12 ounces of orange juice. I'll use a scoop of the protein, which is what this particular protein calls for. Again, it's whey protein, so it's better assimilated. It's definitely the preferred protein source for you. I'll go ahead and add a banana. I generally break it up in pieces so that it blends a little bit better. And then I'll go ahead and add some pineapple. A lot of times I'll use the juice that forms too. As we mentioned before, pineapple has proteolytic enzymes, good for inflammation, healthy for you, okay? So this makes a nice little protein shake. See the consistency? It's tasty. If you have problems because you're just getting into exercise or just getting into healthy eating, trying to improve your nutrition, you've got problems with sugar and so forth, this is good. It's nice and sweet because of the pineapple and banana and the orange juice, but yet it's pretty healthy. There you go, guys. Good protein shake for the morning. Okay guys, I wanted to also go over some supplements. So supplementation is important in that it's just that, a supplement to real food, okay? You want to get your nutrition primarily from your food. However, particularly for older athletes, a lot of times you're not going to get everything. And then there's certain things. So this is my actual supplement area, okay? My coffee, my protein. I have a pre-workout that I use for workout. I believe wholeheartedly in beets, okay? And I use that particular supplementation right there. It's good for nitric acid, very, very good for the blood, very good, once again, particularly as an older athlete, okay? Or as an older person, man or woman, that's looking to strive for better shape and healthy living, okay? D3, guys, can't say enough about D3. It's a supplement that you have difficulty getting generally in your diet. So that's a good supplement that I utilize. I believe in probiotics as well, okay? Once again, one thing people don't understand is the value of a good internal gut system. It's called the second brain, and it's called the second brain for a reason. There are so many hormonal functions and so forth that are precipitated through good internal function in the intestine system. So it's just a good thing to utilize. I use a good multivitamin. I use milk thistle for keeping the liver clean, and I don't use it all the time, but I do use it. I do use a fiber as well. I'm 61 years old, and there are times when I can use fiber, particularly if I'm using high protein and things of that nature which don't have a lot of fiber. Perhaps I'm not eating enough fibrous foods, fibrous carbohydrates, fibrous vegetables, and so forth. I do also use a B-complex. I exercise a lot. When I'm full on, I'm in the gym 4 days a week, and then I'm on the bike the other 3 days a week. So as a result, I exercise a lot. I need extra B vitamins. I've got a stressful job as well. So this works very well for all that. And I highly recommend fish oils. If there's one thing that everyone should be utilizing, no matter what age, no matter what level of athlete, fish oils are very good. Okay, help keep the good oils in the body. You have LDL, you have HDL, high density lipids, low density lipids, and you want to keep a good mix of those two. Now I also use flaxseed oil. I've got joint issues from many years of wrestling and powerlifting back in the day and all those types of things. So my joints aren't the best anymore. My cartilage is gone. Those types of things. They didn't have a lot of the therapies when I was of age to remedy my joint issues. Back then, stem cell therapy being the best one of choice right now. So there's no cartilage there, so I suffer from some of those ailments, and frankly, flaxseed oil is very good for, again, inflammation, particularly around joints, so I utilize that. So there's a look into my supplement chest. You can see kind of stuff that I use. It's all basic stuff, nothing crazy, nothing far out. I don't believe that you need a lot of these things. Something else I've used over the years is creatine. I do like creatine. It's a volumizer for the muscle. It helps shuttle water and carbohydrate into the muscle cell, which helps volumize it. So I do like to use that from time to time as well. But there you go, guys.